Good morning, students. This lesson is for class 10th for the subject of physical education. Topic Introduction. Meaning and objectives of physical education, which is covered in chapter 2, Physical Education, starting on page number 9 of your textbook, titled Health, Physical Education and Sports, and is being submitted to you on 5th July 2021. This voice is of Ms. Kusum. If all students are ready, then let us start with topic physical education. All of you please listen carefully as I will be asking a few questions in between the chapter. Introduction to physical education. The concept of physical education is not new. In fact, physical education has its roots in the ancient period, although it was used in various forms. In the past, its meaning was different to different people. The term physical education is indeed complex and broad based. It includes many types of phenomena. In the beginning of physical education, was used in the term of physical activities because physical education was essential for people to survive. But the main stress on physical education was laid down in ancient Greek. Even in India, physical activities were the essential part of life. In ancient times, the meaning of physical education changed many times during various civilizations. Generally, it was being misunderstood. Sometimes it was confused with the physical training, play games, physical cultural, physical education, and recreation. But as a matter of fact, it is more than these terms. Meaning of physical education. The term physical education consists of two separate words, physical and education. The first word, physical, is related with the bodily function. The term physical may include the body functions like digestive function, circulatory function, or muscular function of any body. And it may be physical strength, physical endurance, of any being, human being. The term education is described as a process which and by which knowledge, character, and behavior of the individual are understood and shaped. In simple words, physical education for all around development of an individual, which means it covers all aspects of physical, mental, and social well being. Meaning of education. Education is not only reading, writing, gaining knowledge, going to school, reading other books, etc. Education is the process of learning which is modifies our behavior towards progress. It is the overall development of men towards happy and contented living. Education is doing phenomenon. One learns through doing. Education is not confined to classroom alone. Objectives of physical education. First, improvement in the field of education. Physical education is required part of most school curriculum, and a number of colleges and universities offer degrees in this field. For example, Bachelor of Physical Education, BPEd, 4-year course after plus 2 and 2 years after graduation. Master of Physical Education, MPEd, 2 years after BPEd. Second point, improve in lifestyle and social relationship, effective interpersonal skills, and essential for participation in meaningful and fulfilling relationships in family, school, recreation, work, and community consents. Third, improvement in the sense of responsibilities. Improving students' knowledge about health issues and practice does not guarantee they will be led healthy lifestyle. Conclusion: after the meta-analysis of the objectives mentioned, it can be concluded that the following are the main objectives of physical education: A. Physical development, mental development, social development, neuromuscular development or coordination, emotional development, development of health. A. Physical development. The objective of physical education relates to developing the education strength of an individual through the development of muscular strength, physical activity, strength various organs of the body like heart, brain, lungs, and kidneys, which are essential for living a healthy and productive life. Exercises also keep diseases such as high blood pressure, obesity, diabetes, and arthritis. B. Mental development. The physical activities of physical programs need alertness of mind, deep concentration, and calculated movements. It should be called the indispensable requirement of various physical activities. Physical education is also a subject like various other educational subjects. It includes rules and regulations, techniques of the games, anatomical and physiological studies, balance diet, sensations, health and disease, personal hygiene. C. Psychological development. Besides the physical aspects of physical education, aims to develop psychological aspects of an individual. They that are related to stress, anxiety, depression, and self esteem. There is no doubt that there exists a positive correlations between physical activities and mental development, an important aspect of physical education. D. Social development. Man is Man is a social animal and cannot live without society. Man is a part of society and to follow the rules and regulations and laws of the society. Students, before going any further in the chapter, let me ask a few questions. You may kindly listen the questions carefully and pause the audio video for 3 minutes to write these question and answers in your notebook, and the question and answer of this chapter are enclosed with the assignment PDF for your reference and will not be recorded in the video and audio lessons. Further explain the topic objectives of physical education. D. Social development. Development of social skills and imperative to build meaningful relationship and to become worth members of society. Participations in organized sports helps develop and social values like working together, celebrating together, supporting others, leading cooperative and motivating. A sound physical education program includes ample group activities for individuals to develop their social skills. It leads to a positive behavior and positivity. Includes other spheres of life. E. Emotional development. The emotional development of an individual is the major objective of physical education. Every individual has various types of emotions like pleasure, hope, jealous, hate, fear, distress, anger, wonder, lust, loneliness. An individual does not have appropriate control over these emotions. he becomes abnormal and uncontrollable. The programs of physical education dwell these emotions and teach us to have proper control over our emotions. By participating in the programs of physical education, an individual starts having over his emotions. Neuromuscular development. This objectives aims at better coordinations between nervous system and muscular system, brain and the muscular. The activities of physical education provide ample opportunities for better neuromuscular coordination. It's in various game situations our neuromuscular coordination is developed. Good coordination helps to keep away the fatigue during various activities. G. Development of health. The development of health related habits through healthy education. Health education. This provides education about the prevention of communicable disease. These are various programs about recreation. The programs of physical education in modern age reduces the anxiety, stress and tension up to a large extent so that the health of individual could be promoted. Hope you all have understood the chapter 2 physical education. All of you are required to read the chapter from notes and answer the following home assignment questions. Home assignment questions are question number 1. Define the term physical education and education. Question number 2. What is the full form of AMFE and AFPE? Question number 3. Name various physical education courses available in India. Question number 4. What are the objectives of physical education? Question number 5. Describe the physical development objective of physical education. So that's all for today. Thank you.